These are the ingredients. They will also be in the description box below. First, grease and line a tin. Weigh out the butter into a medium-sized pan. Then add the golden syrup. Weigh out the brown sugar into a separate bowl. Weigh out the oats into a larger separate bowl. Melt together the butter and the golden syrup on a hob. Once it is all melted, add the brown sugar and stir until it dissolves. Stir in the oats. Transfer this to the pre-lined tin and spread the mixture out evenly. When you take the flapjack out of the oven, score it so it is easier to cut up after it has cooled.
This is the final product. Enjoy baking!